Let me decide you which one or which backend should you choose, whether the Supabase or the Neon. So Supabase is an open source Firebase alternative. It gives you a full backend, which include PostgreSQL, database, auth, storage, and real-time features all in one. It is perfect for launching apps with built-in tools. So for the pricing for this, let's see. We have the free version, which has you get started with limited features. You also have the Pro, which is the most popular one. We have $25 per month, and we have the Team, which add features such as SSO and control over backups and industry certification. Next is we have the Neon. Neon, on the other hand, is a serverless Postgres platform built for performance and scalability. It is focused purely on the database with auto-scaling branching and bottomless storage. It is ideal for developers who want next-gen Postgres without the extra service. So, which Let's see their pricing. So the pricing here is that of course there is another free plan. We have the popular one, which is the launch. We have the scale one, which is $69 per month. And the business, which is $700 per month, which is pretty similar with the Supabase, but this one is more expensive. So the final verdict of which one is for you is that you should go with the Supabase if you want a full back-end suite with minimal setup. But choose Neon if you just need a powerful, scalable Postgres database.